Hello, my name is Thomas. Welcome to today's episode of our App Store Optimization app review. In today's video, we're going to cover Real Racing 3. I have got 3 minutes to do that, so let's not waste any time and let's get straight into it. We're going to start exactly the same way like we started the last time. So we are going to search for the keyword Real Racing 3. The first thing that we see is an ad, and the ad is for Pokemon Go. I think it's exactly an example that I already stated some time ago. If you don't have a racing game, it doesn't make sense that you place keywords or that you're trying to rank for keywords that are in combination with racing. So Pokemon Go, I would reconsider your search ad strategy. But anyways, let's jump into Real Racing 3. As we can see from the logo on the app icon, it is created by Electronic Arts, which also gives it a little bit of more flair because Electronic Arts is a big brand that people out there know. The app title is Real Racing 3 and the subtitle is Cars, Tracks and More. The question is, what is more, and is this really compelling? Maybe it would be cool to also have some kind of call to action within the title, or at least within the subtitle, that really thrills the people that are entering the app page to really download the app and sit into the cockpit of a racing car and play against other players out there. The app icon itself, yes, there is a high-speed car on it. We can also see that it is racing on a track, as well as in the header image we can see that there are different racing cars on a track. So it's quite clear that this game is obviously about racing. Let's jump to the screenshots. The first screenshot is with a cockpit view. The second screenshot is the car from behind. So it's actually showing in-game footage of screenshots of cars. For my taste personally, I think it's not super well prepared, and I think there is a lot of space left for improvement on how to pimp those screenshots and also transport a little bit more information with the screenshots. What I like about it is that it is saying that it has over 200 cars, 18 real-world locations and the definite racing experience. I really think that this is a very compelling short description of the game, and I think that this is something that you can really dig deeper into it. And when you click on read more, you see the rest of the description, and the first thing that popped into my mind was over 400 million downloads. Which is a massive number, also giving me feedback that the game actually has to be some quite of good. There are also ratings from Pocket Gamer, from Touch Arcade, from IGN, with all good notes, all around 9 from 10 and so on. So this really gives me the feedback that this game has to be very nice. So they're doing a very good job when it comes to writing the description. Also, the rating of 4.7 is very compelling, as well as the 3,276 ratings that they already got. So, to sum it up, it's really obvious. You instantly see that this game is about racing and that this game is made for people that are into racing. What I personally think that there is too little of emotion, too little of motivation that really gets me going, where I have the feeling, now I have to start racing and I have to sit into a racing car, which somehow this App Store page should actually transport. So I think that there is some space left. Screenshots are not really high quality, so I also think there is some space left. If I would rate it from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, I would give it a solid 8 because they're doing very much correct when it comes to the title, to their subtitle, as well in their general appearance. But there is room left for really getting me to click on this get button to download the game and to actually play it. I hope you like reviews like this. Please let us know in the comments which app or which game we should review the next time. We are very open for suggestions. It might also be your app, it might also be your game. Just post it in the comments. When you do that, also be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the notification bell. See you the next time and keep optimizing. Oh, this was your phone.
Trying to break my phone?
Yeah, a little bit, maybe.